A branch of the Daultana Joyia Rajputs, one of the 36 royal Rajput families of India. They are descendants of the Kurupandus, Raja Po Ras, who owned a vast empire along the banks of the Jhelum River. They settled Berar city, which was their main city. History tells us that the rule of the Joyia dynasty extended from the river Sutlej to Marwar. But the Bhati Rajputs and the Rathas expelled the Joyas from this region, but their influence remained in Firozapur districts. The Joyia dynasty coined over Bhatiana and Nagaur states. Later they came to Pakpatan and converted to Islam at the hands of Hazrat Baba Farijan Shaka. They established their state in the area, which included the area up to Firozapur. The tomb of Hazrat Sultan Mahmud Joyia, the saintly person of this tribe, is also located in Firozapur. General Bakht Khan, the great commander of the War of Independence, was the nephew of the same Hazrat Sultan Mahmud Joyia. The Joyia Rajput family consists of more than 100 sub-Goths, some of them are famous, and one of them is Daultana, which is settled in Vihari district and which is considered as one of the most prestigious Rajput clans. The research of the famous researcher A.R. Shibli also supports this statement. He writes in his book Pakistan's Village of God that Daultana's heir was the chief Badan, who also settled a village named Badan after himself. Daultana is one of the tribes that came and settled on the banks of the river Sutlej long before the invasion of Sankatar Azam. A settlement officer named Mars wrote in the Book of Arrangement in 1857 that a tribe named Joyia had 63 villages in the Melsi Tehsil on the banks of the Sutlej. This tribe belonged to the Rajputs of Bikaner. It is believed that in the 15th century, these people converted to Islam in the Bagos region and gradually occupied both banks of the Sutlej. Before these people came here 800 years ago, i.e. in the 12th century, two brothers of them became very famous, Rai Jalaluddin and Rai Kamaluddin. The Sultan of Delhi sent them to behead the Bhati chief, destroyed his fort, and among them Jalaluddin settled in the same place. After some time, a clan of Saldahir came here, then Daultani came, whose head was Badhan Khan, and Ghulam Muhammad Ladin became his heir. Ghulam Muhammad Ladin had settled a village named Ladin in his name. He was the head of a criminal clan in Tehsil Wahari of Multan district, spreading terror on both sides of the Sutlej due to racketeering and other crimes. The British subjugated this tribe and gave 16,000 acres of land to their chief Ladin as a reward on the condition that no crime would be committed by his tribe in the future. Written by Sadullah Joyia.